بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And as the title states, we're making chocolate chip cookies, the classic chocolate chip cookie. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or caster sugar, a 1/4 cup of butter. I would prefer you use a weighing scale, it's quite easy to work with. And if you're using weighing scale, it's 4 ounces of butter. And as you can see, it's quite tricky to get the butter out of the cup, but well, it's working for me. So we're going to mix this until it's fluffy and soft and creamy. Yeah, I'm still getting the butter out. Guys, don't mind my background sound. Well, it's morning. Okay, we're going to start mixing this and get your milk ready. This is going to be ready so soon. And after a decade, as you can see, we have mixed it completely well and it's easy to work with. And now it's fluffy and creamy. There. Even the color has changed. It's quite creamy. This will determine how the cookie will be, and we're looking for a gooey texture and crunchy on the outside. And then we're going to add 1 egg, room temperature. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And then you're going to mix this well, and that will be our wet ingredients for the recipe. And then you're going to mix this until it's well combined and fine in texture, so that you can see the sugar and everything is well connected or combined. And then we're going to be adding our dry ingredients, which we're going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This will help the gooiness to stick. That's the secret ingredient. And then we're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We're going to sieve this so that everything is combined together. And then you're going to mix it together well and properly. You need to be very careful so that it does not spill everywhere. And now we're going to add the main ingredient, which is chocolate chip. I'm using the small ones, but if you get the big ones, that would be much preferable. And then you're going to mix this until the chocolate chip is in every dough. This is a 1/4 cup of chocolate chip. And after mixing it well, as you can see, chocolate chip has spread well. We're going to be making small balls out of it. And after making the balls, we're going to be placing it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and that will help the cookie to spread nicely when you bake. It will harden just a little, and that's the secret to soft, gooey chocolate chip cookies. I'm outside, and as you can hear the birds, the chicken cawking, and it's very early in the morning, so I'm enjoying the weather. I just wanted to sit outside, so don't mind it. And as you can see, we have finished making the balls of the cookie dough. Now we're taking it to the fridge for about 30 to 1 hour. And you can place this in the fridge for about 30 days. You can just take a few patches and bake it the amount you want. Placing oil under the parchment helps the parchment paper to stay in one place. So we're going to be arranging this. You need to put space between the cookie dough so that it does not stick to each other when it flattens. And now we're going to cook this in preheated oven of 350 Fahrenheit, but we're going to cook it in 160 degrees and for 20 minutes. And as you can see, our cookies are ready. They spread nicely and round. And as you can see, crunchy on the outside, but super gooey and soft in the inside. And as you can see, the chocolate chip is in every piece of the cookie. So enjoy, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends.